Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung magiging advice ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? Pag hindi pong mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit. And ang ating channel Pisces ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood ngayon or yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, as long as mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang. And this is a timeless reading Pisces. So kung anumang araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, as long as mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo po, again, take nyo lang po. Okay? So, ano po yung magiging advice, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, so walang mag-flip. Oh, wow. Ace of Cups. Oh. Whether you're dealing with the water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Five of Wands. Okay. And also, pwedeng you're dealing with the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, itong Five of Wands na to is, ito yung parang nangyari recently lang, okay? Or pwedeng nakaraang araw, buwan, linggo, okay? Basta medyo there's a past, okay? So, nangyari na ito. Feel ko nangyari na ito kasi nauna yung Ace of Cups na nandito. Okay, ano pa po? Knight of Pentacles. Pwede merong involved na pera. Okay, and, Three of Swords. Okay. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, andito lahat ng signs, Pisces, and medyo naguluhan ako kasi yung lineup ng cards natin is maganda, hindi gaano, and then maganda ulit, and then hindi gaano. Okay, kita niyo naman po sa cards natin ngayon kung ano yung mga sitwasyon. Okay, so bottom of the deck, Nine of Cups. Okay. Okay, so ang unang lumabas, Pisces, is Ace of Cups. As I said kanina, pwedeng nauna tong nangyari na ito. Itong si Five of Wands, okay? And nag-cause ito sa'yo ng heartache, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong Three of Swords. And pwedeng, again, sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng meron itong involved na pera kasi meron tayo ditong Ace of Pentacles. And there's coin na hawak niya, okay? Pero kung hindi naman to about coin, it's all about emotion, okay? Kasi nakikita niya meron tayo ditong cups, dito din, and meron tayong heart dito. So, pwedeng it's all about relationship, okay? Or pwedeng friends kasi meron tayo ditong group of people na nandito, or family member, or workmates, okay? Or kahit sino na ganito yung nai-encounter mo. Okay? And nag-cause ito hindi lang sa'yo or pwedeng medyo nasaktan ka talaga. Okay? And also pwedeng nasaktan din sila. Okay? Sa kung ano man yung nangyari dito, Pisces. And there's an heartbreak. There's an heartache of course, sa conflict na nandito. Walang magiging masaya sa away, Pisces. Aside sa mga taong gusto talaga ng drama. Pero itong taong mga nandito is nalungkot din sila. Hindi, maybe they agree na nasaktan talaga sila or i-deny nila. It's okay kung hindi naman ganun, okay? Take mo lang po, Pisces, it's a vice versa energy. And kanina, actually, ngayon, medyo ako sa pagbasa nito. Sige, kunin natin itong tarot cards. Dalawang tarot cards yung gagamitin natin. And alamin natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin nitong Ace of Cups, Five of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and Three of Swords. Okay? Okay, so shuffle muna natin, Pisces. This is the first time nagagamit ako ng dalawang cards, okay? Bigyan niyo po kami ng explanation, clarification, kung ano po yung ibig sabihin ng mga cards na lumabas ngayon for Pisces, okay? So, again, lumabas talaga 5 of Wands, the Hierophant, and 7 of Cups. Okay. So, Pisces, there's a conflict talaga. Merong pag-aaway. Merong pag-aaway na nandito. And maybe you have to ask some advice to other people kasi meron tayo ditong the Hierophant, and this person is parang para siyang the higher one, okay? Hindi naman sa the higher one, parang respectful one, Pisces. Kumbaga, mabibigyan ng kalunasan, okay? Advices to these people. And pwedeng involve ka dito kasi lumabas again yung 5 of Wands na nandito, okay? And this situation, again, meron tayo ditong mga alahas, meron tao, okay? So, pwedeng there's an involve of property, there's an involve of money, okay? And pwedeng ito ay family member, okay? Or something na pwedeng katrabaho or malapit sa buhay mo. Okay? Pero kung wala namang ganung drama sa buhay mo, Pisces, pwedeng sa relasyon mo, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong 5 of Wands. And ang daming nangyayari dito, Pisces. Okay, so ano po ang ibig sabihin ng 3 of okay, so kahit merong conflict dito, Pisces, kahit merong away, kanina ko pa gustong sabihin pero kumuha lang na ako ng ibang tarot cards. Kanina ko pa gusto sabihin na there is an apology na mangyayari. Okay, kasi Ace of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. Parang meron siyang ibibigay. It's either ikaw yung magbibigay, ikaw yung hihingi ng sorry, or itong taong to. Okay? And 3 of Wands. Plano niya, plano mong pumunta, plano mong, kumbaga, kausapin ito personally, Pisces. Okay? Gusto niyo nang maayos ito kasi sa dalawang deck natin dito, there's a 5 of Wands talaga. Okay? And kahit merong ganitong sitwasyon dito, meron tayo ditong Ace of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. Ito yung parang pampalubag loob, Pisces. Okay? Parang, although medyo mabigat itong dalawang cards at tatlong cards na nandito, meron namang humila para maging magaan. And ito yung si Ace of Cups and si Knight of Pentacles. And together with 3 of Wands. Okay? So, there's an apology and there's something na pagta-travel, it's either malayo or malapit, basta there is something na pag-uusap in person. Okay? Pwede matagal man ito, matagal ang process nito, matagal na kumbaga medyo malayo ang travel kasi Knight of Pentacles kasi is slowly but surely, okay? Slow process. So, pwede matagal, medyo mabagal, okay? Pero darating at darating itong taong to. Nakikita niya meron siyang hawak na coin and binibigay niya ito sa'yo, okay? Or ikaw yung magbibigay sa taong nakadeal mong ganito, okay? And you are both hurt. Okay, nasaktan kayo, aminin man o hindi, pero good thing is there is something na forgive, okay? And pwede merong pag-uusap, merong meeting, merong something na counseling, okay? Pwedeng sa nararamdaman ko, pwedeng ito ay mag-asawa or magkarelasyon, okay? And meron ditong parang priest, and then meron ditong dalawang taong nakikinig, okay? So, pwedeng this is a love reading, pero kung hindi, pwedeng again, sabi ko kanina, there's a money involved or property involved or family work involved, okay? So, take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. So, kuha po to, okay, sabi ko kanina, na there's a bottom of the deck, the world. This card represents something na manifestations. Okay? This card represents something na everything happens for a reason and it will turned into a better situation. Okay, trust the process lang. Okay, you are guided or you are protected by God. Okay, wag matakot sa kung ano man itong ganito. Okay, there is something na bigla ako talaga na, no? Mayroon talagang nangyari dati, okay, na nakapag-cause sa'yo ng sobra ka nasaktan. And there is a forgive situation, apology na darating, Pisces, okay? And pwedeng merong taong nag-advise, merong taong nagsalita, and you are protected by God, okay? And pwedeng itong taong to na manghihingi ng sorry sa'yo or ikaw, Pisces, is napapaniginipan mo siya, okay? Or napapaniginipan ka niya or palagi kanyang iniisip, okay? And this person is ready to face you, or you are ready to face this person. Okay, so, maganda naman yung outcome. Okay, medyo mabigat nga lang nung una na gumamit pa ako ng 2 cards. Pero, sige. Ayun. Okay. Pwede you're dealing with someone at the Hermit, Virgo energy. Okay, pasensya na po, Pisces, kung meron po kayong naririnig, okay? And, pwede you're dealing with a Virgo sign, with a Taurus sign, okay? Again, lahat po ng signs nandito. And, yes, iniisip ka ng taong to, Pisces, okay? Iniisip ka na sa utak ka, na sa isipan ka ng taong to. It's either magta-travel siya. There's a traveling talaga eh. Kasi ang kasunod is Knight of Cups. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Pareho silang merong binibigay. And ito yun. Si Ace of Cups, ito yung ibibigay na sa'yo. So, there's an apology for this person and you know, he knows or she or you know that this person is parang nakapag-decide, okay? This person is parang alam niya kung ano yung reason kung bakit ganun yung naging reaction mo. Alam niya, he or she's aware of that, okay? And alam niya kung ano yung nagawa niya, okay? Alam niya kung ano yung naging cause ng ganito, and this person think of you a lot, okay? And pwede makakapag-decide siya na puntahan ka, or ikaw, Pisces, nakapag-decide na puntahan mo tong taong to. And wala kasi siyang wala siyang message na parang letter. Merong card dito na parang yun yung mensahe card, okay? This is physically planning pa lang yun, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong 3 of Wands. And this person, habang nagtatrabaho, naiisip ka, and plano kanyang puntahan or kumbaga there's an apology, okay? And it's up to you to decide or it's up to this person to decide, okay? So, sa nararamdaman ko din, this person or you ask some advices to other people na alam mo makakatulong sa kung ano man yung nangyari dito sa 5 of Pentacles, okay? Pasensya na po kung medyo magulo itong cards na to, pero I hope na nakuha niyo po yung story or reading natin ngayon, okay? Sa araw na ito. So, kahit medyo mabigat nung una, pero naging maayos naman. There's a forgive, okay, and apology na mangyayari. Pwedeng ikaw or pwedeng siya, okay? And this person is ready to face you or you are ready to face this person, okay? And sobra kang naiisip ng taong to, sobra kanyang, alam mo yun, yung parang apektado din siya sa kung naman yung nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading. Sa naway nagustuhan niyo po, huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless.